Students, as you know very well that subject verb agreement, rules of subject verb agreement we are discussing, and I have taught you some rules regarding it. Now we will discuss further rule, but you are advised to learn it completely, to contact any book, to see any book, and these rules are very important for your further knowledge. So you must learn each and every rule of this chapter. Now we study the rules regarding there. As you know very well that you write, there is a student in the class. There is a student. There are many students. Students. You see, this here is written, here are is written, because there is adverb, and adverb should not be a sentence, a subject. So verb according to the noun that comes after it. So is, you see, is due to a student, and are is given due to a students. Generally in English, the first letter is used as a subject and verb according to you, but according to the first. But here it is given, you are saying very well that there does not play any role regarding verb. Second, that is considered is apposition. Apposition is given, as you know, you, Ram, are going to market. Here Ram is apposition, or you know very well, see this one, you and Ram both prefer the same person. In such condition, verb according to the pronoun that is given before apposition. Verb should not be according to other, and comma must be written both sides. Here comma is given, here comma, that is compulsory. Without this one, it is not used as a, or not considered as a apposition. So verb according to you, here you is given and are. So you are going to market. In this way, you can use this one. I, Mohan, have done the work. I, Mohan, have done the. Here Mohan is given, but this verb is according to I, not according to Mohan, because Mohan is used as a opposition. Here Ram is used as a opposition. The rule of opposition is that verb is according to the pronoun that comes before opposition. Next one rule is not only but also. Not only Ram but also his brothers are intelligent. If two sentences connected by not only but also, you have to use the verb according to second. Here not only Ram but also. It is connected. Ram is given, brothers is given. So generally in English, verb according to first subject. But if not only but also is given, verb according to second subject. Here brothers is given, due to brothers are is. So you should be very careful about this rule, because this rule is different from general rule. Or one thing, as well as Ram, as well as his friends is coming. Here as well as used as a connector, and it's connecting the word. Here Ram is given, here is friends is given, is coming. So that is verb. If two subjects connected by as well as, verb according to first subject, not according to second subject. Here Ram is given, according to Ram is given. But it is, you know very well, Ram and his friends are coming. Ram and his friends are coming. Here it is connected by and, or due to this and, here are is given. Due to as well as, here is given. So you should be very careful about this one. As well as are. So these are the rules. You should learn this rule very well. Write it in your copy, and next day we will discuss about further rule. Thanks a lot. Need and dare is given, and need and dare can be used as a modal, and this one can be used as a verb. So you study this one, need and dare, in modal also, and you have to study this one in verb also. He needs money. He needs money, verb according to he. Or second is he need not do it. Here need is used as a modal, or here need is used as a main verb. So when it is used as a main verb, the other rules regarding it apply in this one. The same condition with dare also. How dare he come here? See this one. How dare he come here? ये dare is given, come is given. Two verbs are given here. He is given. So here two verbs is given. So this one is used as a modal, or he dares to come here. Here there is a single verb. This is non-finite, and this is used as an infinitive. So this is not verb, consider. This is single verb, and here this dare is considered as main verb. So you understand very well that need is given, dare is given, how to use need as a modal, how to use need as a verb. Here dare also, need means necessity, jarurat. Dare means courage, himmat. Here. So you should know this one, use of this very well. Thank you.